Let us do an overview of the concept of PPF curve. PPF slopes downward as increase in production of one good requires decrease in the production of the other. PPF curve is concave shape due to MRT, marginal rate of transformation. Because if we are increasing the production of one good, the production of the other good has to be decreased. So as the decrease is in larger quantity as we move downwards, so it is concave shaped. PPF shows transformation of one good to another, not physically but diverting the resources from one, means we cannot transform guns to butter or butter to guns, just we are diversifying the resources or diverting the resources from the production of guns to butter or from butter to guns. Okay, PPF shows the maximum possibilities of the combination of two commodities, which gives us equal satisfaction. If the economy operates on the PPF that I showed earlier day, that all the points will be on the PPF curve, then it is optimal utilization of the resources. If the economy operates at any point inside the PPF, that means the economy is not utilizing its resources properly. That is why the point is inside the PPF, like this. See, inside PPF D. On the PPF A, B, C. Optimal utilization in case of A, B, C. If any point where the economy is operating inside the PPF, then no optimal utilization of the resources. Resources are not optimally utilized. So that is point D. Now any point where if the economy tries to operate beyond the PPC curve, that is E, it is beyond the capacity of the resource capacity of the economy. The economy cannot operate there. So PPF is concave due to MRT because, what did I say? As we are increasing the production of one commodity, that of other has to be decreased. So that decrease goes on increasing as we move downwards. Okay, so that is why it is concave in nature. I showed you the calculation of marginal rate of transformation, that we have to subtract change in commodity X divided by change in commodity Y. Okay, so we have to subtract now, and by subtracting only we will get the ratio and we can see the change. We can see the amount sacrificed of guns for one extra production of butter, and that sacrifice was increasing. The unit of sacrificed was increasing, so that is why it is concave. MRT was increasing, that is why PPF is concave. Now any outward shift in PPF means the economy can produce more of both the commodities now than it was possible to do earlier. Any inward shift in the PPF means the economy's capacity to produce both the commodity has reduced, means the shift. Any outward shift in the PPF means the economy's productive capacity has increased. Any inward movement of the PPF means the productive capacity has decreased for both the goods. Okay, so now we will move on to the next part.